Has it been brought? Is it brought?
The application for empanelment of this bench
Can I have application of next year?
And perhaps my Lord, perhaps before you give the directions, my Lord is immortal. She's informing me that she was not aware of the elections in the morning, that applications be filed and we come back before you, and now her petition has been integrated in the consolidated petition, that is petition number E013. Therefore, she's not been able to file an application either for refusal or for challenging the panel. She was just requesting if she can be served with those applications and the responses, and she be given time, 1 hour just like the others, to file her real application which you see wishes. Because now she's participating in the proceedings.
Council, listen to this and listen to this very carefully. All of us acknowledge the momentous import of the proceedings before us. And all of us are enjoined by the rules of natural justice to do what is right. This bench is not going to be taken round in circles. We will not be taken round in circles. We are here to do justice for the petitioners, justice for the respondents. And anything which is intended to delay these proceedings will not be acceptable because both parties have come to this court under certificate of urgency. Let us be very careful how we argue our matters. We want everybody before us to get justice. That justice will not be possible if every advocate who stands up wants to take the cause in cycle. We will not allow that. I'm making final directions on this matter. The matter which we are dealing with is an application dated 22nd of October 2024 by Jindo Matiba and Company Advocates. It seeks orders under Rule 3 of the Constitution. We are dealing with the issue of empanelment. And then after that, we'll look at ruling for the way forward. So let us proceed. Let us be courteous to each other. Let us be courteous to the parties before us. Parties before us are very okay, but let's not be a theater by advocates to derail the process. I beg you. On the issue of time allocation, Judge Moreba will give the final issue directions on time.
This is how we proceed. The applicants